Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the prime factorization, and by this method you can find out a square root of any number. Okay, so for that what we have to remember, you have to remember that every time when you are dividing, you have to divide a number by prime number only. These things you have to remember, that's it, and then you can do easily prime factorization. Okay, so for that what we have to do, let's take one number. Okay, so I'm going to take 1089, that means 1089. So I'm going to find out square root of this. Okay, by this prime factorization method. So what I will do, I'm going to divide this one. See here what we have 9, so we can't divide this one by 2. Always start by 2, but here we can't start by 2. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to divide this number by 3. Okay, so let's take 3. 3 3s are 9, and then 3 6 are 18, and 3 3s are 9. Okay, and then after that what we can do, we can again divide this one by 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, and 3 1s are. Then this 121, what we can do, we can divide this one by 11. Okay, so 11 is a prime number, right? So we can divide 121 by 11, so you will get 11 11s are. If you know square, so you know that the 11 square is nothing but what, 121. Okay, so now 11, and then what you have, you will get 1. That means when you will get 1, here you have to stop. What we got, we got 4 numbers, so this one is prime factorization of this number. Okay, that means 1089, that means 1089. Its a prime factorization is nothing but what, 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Okay, now what you have to do, we are having this number in pair. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take one number from this pair, one number from this pair. So your answer is what, you will get answer 33. So this number, that means 1089 is nothing but what, this is the square root of 33. That means 33 square, you will get 1089. So this is the method of prime factorization, and what you can do, you can try at your home this number 484. Okay, try this one, and 1764.